Kajabi, it's easy to create coupons for special promotions or deals on your offers. You can give a dollar amount or a percentage off of a single payment or monthly subscriptions. You can set custom time durations and select an expiration date. I'm Vince from Kajabi, and I'm going to walk you through how to create and use coupons in Kajabi. To create a new coupon, first you'll open the Sales tab from the dashboard. Then choose Coupons. Then click the plus New Coupon button. From there, you'll select Single Coupon Code or Bulk Codes. Before we go further, let's cover the difference between single coupon codes, bulk coupon codes, and single-use coupon codes. Single coupon codes allow you to create a coupon code with your branded language that anyone can use for your applied offers. For example, you could create a summer promotion with the coupon code SUMMER25 and give 25 off to anyone that applies to coupon code SUMMER25 during checkout. Bulk codes auto-generate your specified number of unique, one-of-a-kind codes to share with your audience. Each code created from the bulk code generator is a single-use code that can be used for a single purchase. With bulk codes, Kajabi will randomly generate multiple single-use coupon codes. Single-use coupon codes are different from single coupon codes because after the coupon is applied once, the bulk single-use coupon becomes invalid. Now, let's get back to the tutorial. For this example, let's select Single Coupon Code. To configure your coupon code, enter your custom coupon code. I'll go with SUMMER25. Then, you'll select the discount type as a % off or amount off. Now, you'll enter the actual value of the discount. One thing to note, your coupon must be the same currency as the offer it is attached to. Be sure to select the corresponding currency if you choose to apply an amount off for your coupon. That's the first step in making a basic coupon in Kajabi. But if your coupon is used for multi-pay or subscription offers, you can also change the duration of the discount. For instance, you can choose to cover the first payment the coupon is used by clicking once, repeating to apply the discount to all payments made within the specified number of months, or the remainder of the billing period by selecting forever. If you want the coupon to expire, be sure to select the expiration date. The next step is to add offers to your coupon code. The coupon code will only be valid for offers that are added to the included offers section of the coupon. So for example, you can create a coupon that only applies to a specific online course and won't be valid for access to a different course or digital download. To add an offer to the coupon, first you'll open the Sales tab from the dashboard. Then, select Coupons to edit an existing coupon or create a new one. Click the plus Add Offer button, then choose the offer you want to include. Keep in mind that coupons will only apply to the offers attached. If the offer includes an upsell, the coupon will not apply to the upsell. Also, it's possible to add and remove offers after the coupon code is created. So, if you create a new product and want to make that eligible for the same discount, that's totally possible. Now, let's talk about how you can share a link that streamlines checkout with your coupon code. After you have added an offer to the coupon, you will see a discount link button. This link takes the person who clicked to the checkout with the coupon code already applied. This could really be helpful if you're sending a marketing email or making a social media post about your promotional discount and want to remove friction for your potential customers. But you don't need to send the discount link for someone to use it. If a coupon code is associated with an offer, when someone goes to checkout, there will be a coupon code field on the checkout form. With the Growth and Pro plans on Kajabi, you can use automations to create and send a single-use coupon code. This automation action sends an email containing a single-use coupon code after your trigger occurs, such as after a customer purchases an offer, a tag is added to that contact. These automations can be a powerful way to help you continually generate sales after only a little bit of initial setup. These single-use automated coupons must connect to a single coupon code, like our example of SUMMER25. For this tutorial, we'll create a single-use coupon automation in an offer. First, click Offers, and then select your desired offer to customize. In the offer editor, navigate to Automations. Click the plus Add Automation button. From the When drop-down menu, select Offers Purchased. From the Then drop-down menu, select Send a Single-Use Coupon. Select the single coupon code your single-use coupon code will connect to. We'll connect ours to SUMMER25. Then, you'll want to customize the automated email according to your brand and language. When you're done, click Save to keep and apply your changes. Before we wrap up, here are a few more tips. As you create your coupons on Kajabi, keep in mind that they cannot be edited once they are created. While you can associate different products with your coupon, you can't change the type, discount, currency, or duration. Are you looking to create a coupon to give someone free access to an offer? Here's a tip. If you want to create 100% off coupons, it must be applied as a percent off rather than an amount off. Be sure to set the value of the discount to 100% off to create a free coupon. But keep in mind that your member will still need to provide their credit card information when using a free coupon code on referring subscription offers. If you want to offer a completely free product, such as a lead magnet, you can just set that offer price to free and you don't need to create a coupon. I hope this was a helpful look at how to create discount codes in Kajabi. Be sure to check out our Help Center or blog for even more information on coupons and beyond. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications.